Welcome to the Computershare How to Vote tutorial, your step-by-step guide to navigating the voting process with ease. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical steps to ensure your voice is heard. First, it is essential to understand the importance of voting in corporate decisions. As a shareholder, your vote matters and can significantly impact the future of the company. Computershare is a leading provider of shareholder services, and their voting platform is designed to make the process straightforward and efficient. To begin, you will need to access the Computershare website and log into your account. If you are a new user, you will need to register by providing your shareholder details and creating a username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the voting section, where you will find a list of available meetings and proposals. Next, review the meeting materials, including the notice of meeting, proxy statement, and any other relevant documents. It is crucial to understand the proposals being put forward and the recommendations of the Board of Directors. Take note of the voting deadlines and ensure you submit your vote on time. Now, let's move on to the voting process itself. You can vote online, by mail, or by attending the meeting in person. To vote online, simply select the meeting and proposal you wish to vote on, and follow the prompts to submit your vote. You can also vote by mail by completing the proxy form and returning it to the address provided. When voting, you will typically have three options: for, against, or abstain. It is essential to carefully consider each proposal and make an informed decision. If you are unsure, you can consult with a financial advisor or seek guidance from the company's investor relations team. Best practices for voting include reviewing all meeting materials, understanding the proposals, and submitting your vote on time. It is also essential to keep your login details and account information up to date to ensure you can access the voting platform. In conclusion, voting with Computershare is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by mail, or in person. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your voice is heard and make informed decisions about the companies you invest in. Remember to always review meeting materials carefully, understand the proposals, and submit your vote on time to make the most of your shareholder rights.